Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to zoom in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have your clip on the timeline. Select the clip on the timeline, then go to Effect Controls. Under the Motion section, you'll find Anchor Point. Clicking on it shows the anchor point in your video preview. Drag the anchor point over the area you want to zoom in on. This helps focus the zoom exactly where you want it. Now, go back to Effect Controls. Move your playhead to the point in your clip where you want the zoom to begin. Next, find Scale under Motion and click the stopwatch icon next to it. This creates your first keyframe, marking where the zoom will start. Then, move the playhead forward to where you want the zoom to end. Increase the scale value to zoom in as much as you need. As soon as you do that, Premiere will automatically create a second keyframe. When you play it back, you'll see the clip zoom in between those 2 points. If you want to hold the zoom for a moment, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to stop holding, and click the circle next to Scale to add another keyframe. Then, to zoom out, move the playhead to the spot where you want the zoom to end, and click the Reset Parameter button to return the scale to its original value. This will create the final keyframe and bring the zoom back to its starting point. To smooth out the zoom, select your keyframes by dragging over them. Right-click and choose Ease In for the zoom in and Ease Out for the zoom out. This will make the movement more fluid and less sudden. For jump cuts, let's delete all the keyframes first and make sure that the stopwatch icon for the scale is toggled off. Then cut the clip where you want the jump cut to happen by pressing Ctrl+K. Select the clip you want to zoom in on, then simply adjust the scale percentage to your liking. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.